Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Fusion, this generation here from year 2013 to year 2020. If you have one of those, if you need to find where the IAT sensor fuse is located, if you have problems, cold or not working IAT sensor, that's the intake air temperature sensor, always check that fuse. We'll explain where you can find it, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays, all that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So let us tell you a little bit about us guys. When we get a car here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 free repair videos absolutely to you guys. We make a video about every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car doesn't start, you can easily identify what causes that. You can search for engine starter fuse, fuel pump fuse. Let's say that's a problem, you replace it, you're back in the road. It takes less than 2 minutes to watch the video guys. So that will be guys our mission, to make your life easier and to solve your problem. Now in addition guys, we have other channels as well. We make 300 free repair videos on every car we get at the garage, take them completely apart. We do engine work, transmission, body work, engine codes, fuses, anything like that. Now, why we do that? To save you money guys. So on this Ford Fusion there are different years, okay, through the different models through the years from 2013 all the way to 2020. There will be some minor differences about the fuses. So if you notice that we mention up to 2-3 different fuses for the same thing, it could be because it could be a different fuse for a different year, but we're trying to help all of you with that generation Ford Fusion. So let's start on it now. So guys, the IAT sensor fuse, where you can expect to find it, we will demonstrate on this generation Ford Fusion right here. You have multiple fuse boxes guys, and some of them are very hidden. Check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on Ford Fusion. Go ahead and open the hood guys. Now your IAT sensor is integrated in the MAF sensor, but where you can expect to find the fuse, it's under that cover here. Go ahead, open it, and underneath you'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So another thing guys, before I forget, if you guys need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools for Ford Fusion or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. That way you do not waste your money and time. Guys, here where you can expect to find the IAT sensor fuse. Quick piece of advice, you see these double fuses, keep some spare ones, because one time we were in the middle of nowhere, we couldn't find a replacement and we were stuck. They're hard to find. If you come in this row of fuses here guys, okay, and you come to the very right side, we're talking about that fuse right here, which is known as fuse 29, excuse me, 29, the 20 amp fuse. That's the one for the IAT sensor, which is known as intake air temperature sensor. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you next time.